Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in today's episode, we're going to be checking out the Origin token, which is currently listed in Binance under the OGN symbol. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's check it out. And by the way, if you don't want to miss out on this token updates, or of course, any other crypto news or any other altcoin news, be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe. And by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should definitely do your own research before getting into crypto and investments. And me, on my side, I've been trading since 2017. I do approximately 30 to 40 flips per day, and I gain anywhere from 1% to 2% per flip, which brings me to 30 to 40% in gains per day. And if you want me to teach you how to do that, be sure to subscribe because I will be showing you some really neat tutorials in upcoming episodes. All right, guys, so let's get to it. At this point, the trading volume is 25 million on Binance, which is not bad. It's still on the low end for the trading coins out there. Although I think things have calmed down a little bit on the trading side. Here's the thing though, because it's currently trading at 82 cents, it has definitely dropped a ton. It was worth at its peak approximately 8 weeks ago, $3.3. So tons of people holding their bags. That's unfortunate. Still, there's a lot of traffic going on. So a lot of people bought in to this phase right here. So there's still a lot of holders. And as you can see right here also, there was this purchase war going on. It was insane. So yes, it was stable for quite a while and then jumped like crazy. It 4x'd almost, even more. That's the thing. Congrats to the people that actually got the bag all the way to the top. Now let's just analyze what's going on right now, because what we want to do is a prediction for the beginning of June, just to see if this is a good coin. So there's going to be two predictions made, one for the holders and one for the flippers, because as I see from the comments, there's definitely an army of both. All right, guys, so let's have a look at the support lines right here. So we're currently bouncing off of this support line. And you can clearly see that we had a very bearish market from which you can still make money, actually, and I will show you how to do that. It's easier than you think. You can generate a lot of money while it's bearish. So yeah, okay, it splits in half. We had a very bearish and a very bullish market, of course, that came before. But what we need to understand is what exactly is going to happen now, right? So this is pretty much its path right now. And there you go. Whoops, sorry about that. You can clearly see that the price is being discussed on this bearish path right here, which has its support lines like that. So we're probably going to see a breakout once it hits the 43-cent mark, and this would be a perfect time for the flippers to get in. So for those who don't know, flippers are the guys that don't hold. It's the guys and gals that actually get into the market. They buy cheap, sell high, buy cheap, sell high, and that's flipping. It's much more profitable than just holding, and I will definitely show you how to do that in my upcoming episodes without any bots or traders or whatever. I will just show you how I do it with simple calculations. All right, guys. So for the holders, right now is the time to get this coin, because it has been on a lower price since already multiple weeks. We're talking about 3 weeks here. So definitely a good time to get it, because if the Bitcoin sustains a stable run for the upcoming days, there will definitely be a boom, and it will probably be testing again its upper support levels that were established right here at around $1.8 for the coin, which is not bad, right? Because it's currently sitting at 0.8. So, huge gains for the holders that can actually get it to that level. This is, again, if the Bitcoin holds. Now, if it does not hold, if it plunges, well, like every crypto coin out there, just wave bye-bye to every altcoin. unfortunately, they're all sitting on the Bitcoin's back. So you will definitely be a sitting duck with a lot of bags to hold. Unfortunately, it's not funny, I know, but I just picture this, and it's just sad because crypto can't be that predicted because we don't know when the next billionaire is gonna make a move on the Bitcoin. We don't know when the next country is gonna ban the Bitcoin or crack down on the mining and whatever. This is impossible to predict. Um, you just gotta stay up to date with all the news and be sure to make the first move before everyone else. From what I've heard, a lot of people are actually tethering. So for those that don't know what tethering means, it basically means selling your crypto over to the USDT or the BUSD. So basically the Binance USD dollar, or peg it like to the USD tether. This basically makes your coins be worth anything in American dollars because you tether it to another stable coin such as USDT, BUSDT, and other coins. So there's tons of stable coins out there to which you can tether and not only hold while the Bitcoin might be crashing in the coming days. I don't know if it will. I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying if you want to take the risk, you can stay here in the market. Or what you can do is you can tether yourself to the American dollar and wait for the Bitcoin price to fall so that you can get a little bit more coins such as the OGN coins. So for the upcoming month, at least in the beginning of it, it is extremely difficult to predict because the dollar value of the Bitcoin is extremely volatile and unstable, and no one has a freaking clue where it's gonna hit on Monday. We're all kind of sitting ducks. Is it gonna fall even further? If is it gonna blow up? We don't know. But let's say that you believe the Bitcoins are gonna hold. In that case, it's a good time to buy. It will probably test the upper limits of $1.8 per coin. And if you're a flipper and you think the Bitcoin is going to live to see another day, so let's say it's staying stable at the 30K mark or 36K mark, between that range, is going to be altcoin season, meaning that a lot of altcoins are gonna boom like crazy, including the OGN. So if you're a flipper, wait for it to hit the 42 cents mark, then make a purchase, and at that point wait for it to hit. It will probably take a few days, I'd say. Like if the Bitcoin is strong, it will definitely pump up in a matter of days. We're talking about anywhere from 5 to 6 days. It might pump to the previously well traded price right here that is sitting in the middle. So that's at around 1.8. So you're going to be making, as it drops to 4.2, you're going to be making 2x. So that's huge. 2x. That's as it drops, you get it at 42 cents, and then as it bounces off to the high-end support level, you're gonna get a lot more X's, meaning it's gonna go from 4.2 all the way to 1.8, which makes it around, let me just calculate this for you. All right, so just 1.8, divide that by 0.42. You make 4x. So, this is a coin where you can get 6x as a compound by flipping. And this is what I'm telling you, guys. You can flip and make much more profit. You can make much more profit by flipping than just by holding. All right, guys. Anyways, I'll be getting to this in upcoming episodes. So be sure to be subscribed to Crypto Intel so that I can keep you up to pace with pretty much everything that is crypto related. All right, guys, see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.